Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the Life Insurance class that I told that last class that I am going to deal today the cover note. I don't know whether you know it, the cover note or not, because in your syllabus it is there. Can I show you the syllabus so that you could know where is the cover note? Yes, which I highlighted there. Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
That is not convener note, that is a cover note. Then right to contribution, there is a eight appeared over there, there is a spelling mistake. There is a principle of contribution and right to average, that is the principle to average. So right to contribution, right to average is there, but first and foremost that I would like to deal the cover note. Did you have any idea what is the cover note? Anyone? Yes, at least you read that what I posted on the screen, cover note. Now you read. Anyone?
The effect of the cover note, the insurer.
The insurer is bound to, the insured is bound to perform his legal duties created by the contract as to the payment of premium stated in the cover note. Next, another flag. The insurer is bound to give insurance coverage of any losses or injuries during the cover note enforcement. So that is the effect of the cover note. The compiled by Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain. Yes, now we'll see what is cover note in detail. Yes, what is cover note? Can anybody will read what I highlighted here? Can anybody unmute and read what I highlighted there on the screen? Bhaktullara, are you
Cover note
here?
is a temporary document issued by an insurance company. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
A cover note is a temporary document issued by an insurance company that provides proof of insurance coverage until a final insurance policy can be issued. A cover note is different from a certificate of insurance or an insurance policy document. The name of the insurance. What is being covered by the insurance. The term cover note for a temporary proof of insurance is most commonly used in other countries.
Yes, enough.
What is the
So,
maximum number of
enough.
days?
I say enough.
Okay.
I say enough.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, a cover note is a temporary document, a transit. Like when you are purchasing the new motor vehicle, they will give the temporary license to you in the, which is always in the yellow color, a strip that you stick it and you can drive it, no doubt. You can drive it because already insurance is there. It is there or not? It is there or not? When you buy the new motor vehicle,
Sir.
the showroom person only make the insurance, then he will give you that a bike will be sold, that will be on road price. That is on road price means it includes the insurance and temporary license number. You can drive on road till you
Yes,
go
sir.
to the RTA office, then submit the all the formalities till you get your permanent number. You can drive you. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Can you go after 3 months for the RTA office to process the thing and using your motorbike on the temporary license or temporary number? Answer no. Because that number is given for the either 1 month. I don't know exactly either 1 month or 2 months. But here, cover
Exactly
note,
1 month, sir.
here the cover note is given for the 60 days only. That means till the processing is over of your bond, it reaches to you. That is called certificate of insurance. Up to that extent, you can run the show with the cover note. In case if any mishap, untoward incident happened, then whether the LIC, not LIC, insurer would be held liable or not? Tell me.
Liable, sir.
The reason is temporary means provisional. Like provisional certificate is given to you. Can't you use the provisional certificate for getting the admission in the higher course? Answer is yes or no? Answer is yes or no? Bhaktullara,
Yes, sir.
answer is
Yes, sir.
yes. You can get the admission by showing the provisional certificate for the higher studies because your original comes only after convocation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes. But once the convocation is over, then original certificate of your provisional is a waste paper. Okay? Say okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. So this is the same thing. A cover note is a temporary document issued by an insurance company that provides a proof of insurance coverage until a final insurance policy can be issued. A cover note is a different from a certificate of insurance. Certificate of insurance means last stage, that is called bond or an insurance policy document. Cover note is not a certificate of insurance nor an insurance of policy document. It is a temporary proof for the insurance that you paid the amount for the insurance. A cover note features the name of the insured and the insurer, the coverage, and what is being covered by the insurance. So, what is the content of the cover note? What is the content of the cover note?
Temporary document.
I say content of the cover note. I did not say nature of the cover note. Nature of the cover note means is a temporary document. I say content of the cover note. Already there on the screen. I don't know why you are. Cover note features the name of the how many players are there here? Only 2 players.
Insured the insurer.
And the subject matter of the insurance. Now tell me cover note content is
Content is the name of the insured, the insurer,
and
the coverage and
the
and
coverage.
what? Yes, sir.
What is going to be coverage? The subject matter. See here it is there. I don't know why you are
Yes, sir.
troubling yourself. You are troubling yourself. A cover note features means a cover note content, the name of the insured, the insurer, the coverage, and what is being covered by the insurance means coverage amount or subject matter of the coverage and insured and insurer. The term cover note for the temporary proof of insurance is most commonly used in other countries also, including India. What is the maximum number of the days a cover note is valid? Read.
60 days, sir.
60 days, sir.
It is 60 days. I say read said. I say read, I said. You are giving the answer 60 days, sir. I say read means a cover note is a valid for a period of 60 days from the date of the issue of the cover note, and the insurer shall issue the certificate of insurance before the cover note expires. Who will issue the certificate of insurance?
Insurer, sir.
What is the time limit?
60 days, sir.
If the time limit is over,
Expired, sir. Cover note is expired.
it's over, then he can extend the time limit, or by the time he will clear it and send the certificate of insurance. What is a cover note theory? Image result of the cover note in insurance. A cover note is a phrase used by the insurance provider to describe the temporary documentation issued as a motor insurance, and this is provided so the driver can provide a proof of the vehicle insurance in advance of the obtaining the full official documentation in case of the it is a motor vehicle insurance, vehicle registration, and the details why vehicle is being used. So, like in motorbike, when you purchase from the showroom, he will issue the temporary number to you, as well as he will insure your vehicle. That means on road price. They say means includes the insurance.
Insurance.
Yeah, that is. How a cover note works. Insurance company issues a cover note to provide an individual with a proof of insurance before all the insurance paperwork has been processed. Because it takes a lot of time would be there for processing the insurance. So cover note generally it will be given over there. But nowadays no, they will on the spot they will generate it because it is the electronic now. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
During this time, the insurer may continue to evaluate the risk associated with the insuring the holder of the cover note, and the cover note will continue to serve as the insured proof for that coverage has been purchased until the insurer issues the policy documents and the certificate of insurance. But when you go for the life insurance, no, I think it will take some time. It will not be generated on the spot. But if you go to the motor vehicle, yes, within half an hour it can be generated. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So at the time there is no cover note for the motor vehicle, but the number is there. For the number, it will be there. It will take the time. But we are dealing with the cover note of the insurance, not the number. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
In general, the cover note provides the same level of the coverage as the full insurance policy. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటండి?
Full insurance policy, sir.
కవర్ నోట్ ఉన్న అది it is equivalent to the full insurance policy as if that you are having the certificate of the policy in your hand. Though insurer may place some restrictions while they make a final discrimination on the risk associated with the insurance policy. Even though insurer may place some of the restrictions while they are giving the bond to you, that is the certificate of policy, because they may find some other loopholes are there, some other thing is not very much clearly informed to you. No, they will ask you for the further information, then you have to provide him. Okay, how long a cover note remains valid, it depends upon how quickly the insurance company can create a new policy. See, the new policy on the spot they will make it out, they give you only 6 days time. And whether the insurer has any problem with the policy coverage between the selling the policy and issuing the policy document, that's why they will give some maximum extent the time period. Up to that time period, they will issue the registration of the policy. If the cover note expires before the permanent policy the documentation has been received, the insured individual will either receive the automatic extension of the cover note, or they can request one be sent. Either they request for the extension of the cover note, or he will give the policy, that is the certificate of policy, whichever is earlier. Yes, insurance company may allow someone who has recently purchased an insurance policy but does not have a formal policy to cancel the purchase. This allows someone who only holds a cover note to receive a refund, provided that the claim on the policy has not been made during the cancellation period. Of course, but the cancellation period would be there. Of course, once it is made over there, then you cannot cancel it. If the cover note is prepared today, tomorrow we can cancel it, or within the reasonable time you can cancel it. Like the abortion, if you want to make the abortion medically, within which period it can be aborted, the fetus could be aborted, safe period. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on. భక్తుల్లారా ఉన్నారా అండి?
Please repeat, sir. Please repeat, sir. Audio is disturbed. Audio is disturbed, sir.
If the abortion is legally, medically aborted for the fetus, how much period, safe period, where the fetus can be aborted?
No idea, sir.
తొందరగా చెప్పేసేయాలండి విన్నప్పుడు 3 months లోపట్నే చేయాలి. ఓకే.
Sir.
45 days, sir. I think so, 45 days, sir.
No, it is not safe. On the medical advice, you can go for the 45 days. Otherwise, only 3 months time. Okay, let us come to the coverage. A cover note is a temporary document, as I said, issued by the insurance company that provides a proof of the insurance coverage until a final insurance policy can be issued. That is the purpose of the cover note. During this time, the insurer may continue to evaluate the risk associated with insuring the holder of the cover note. Yes, if any incident happened would be there, the cover note is enough and he can claim as if that he has received the total policy. The cover note will continue to serve as the insured's proof that cover exists until the insurer issues the policy document and certificate of insurance or else denies the issuing the policy. Suppose if he denies over there, meanwhile, in an incident happen, or untoward incident happen, before the denial, it will be covered. But after the denial, if anything has happened, the cover note will not be valid. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us see the in depth of the cover note. What is cover note? In the depth, we will see. So, as you are aware that a cover note or interim receipt, this is. A cover note is nothing but a interim receipt. Like we have the a temporary injunction and a permanent injunction. It is like a temporary injunction. A interim receipt is a document issued by the insurer during the negotiation stage of an insurance to a person proposing to insure with him, by which they acknowledge the receipt of the payment in respect to the premium and undertake to hold him indemnified until they have elided whether to accept the proposal or not. Sir, whether the cover note will be given to the insured without paying the premium?
No, sir.
Answer no.
Yes, sir.
Either you pay or your agent may pay, but the payment is must.
Yes, sir.
So now, simply cover note generally issued to acknowledge that the proposal insurance is pending with the insurance company, and from the date of the issue of the cover note till the date of the issue of the insurance policy, the insured will be covered through the cover note. The insured will be
Audio is
covered
break,
through
sir.
the cover note. Means cover note act as if they are issued the insurance policy unless until the insurer denies it. Generally, when a prospect submits its proposal for the insurance with the insurance company can the basis of the declaration made, the document submitted by the prospects critically analyze the risk associated with the proposal. Of course, whatever it might be, whether there are more risks or less risks are there, whether a insured has shown the total facts or not about the subject matter of the insurance, the insurable interest is there, if the property is there. So all the things will be considered. Then they will at last issue the insurance policy. Up to that extent, cover note will serve the purpose. In case they find it, there is some lacuna would be there, it is not feasible to, then he will deny it and he will return the premium amount also with the interest. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The object of the cover note or interim receipt is to afford interim protection to the assured pending the decision of the insurance company to finally accept or reject the proposal for the insurance. And the insurer will have the two options. Either can accept it, then he will issue the policy certificate. If he reject it, he will return the amount with the payment, whatever the interest will be there. So now we'll see that how it will be defined. I already told you the cover note is a temporary document issued by the insurance company. Then I need not to go through in detail this thing. The cover note usually valid for a period of 15 to 30 days from the date of its issue, subject to the insurance policy is concerned. Insurance company is concerned. Either 60 days somebody people make it out. Some either 50 make it out, or 20 make it out, or 30 they make it out. That depends upon the how quick they can work on the policy. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The same thing. According to the Honorable Hidayatullah J. Observation in the General Assurance Society versus Chanmul. It's the case law. I repeat. According to the Honorable Hidayatullah Judge, observation in General Assurance Society versus Chanmul case law, a contract of insurance is a species of the commercial transactions and there is a well-established commercial practice to send the cover note even prior to the completion of the proper proposal or while the proposal being considered or policy is in the preparation of delivery. It is a temporary and limited agreement. It may be self-contained and it may be incorporated with the reference to the terms and condition of the future policy. So it is very much decided over there. It is only the temporary document till the till the till the till the భక్తులారా సార్ వినబడతలేదు
Yes, yes, yes.
ఆ?
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్.
మరి వినిపిస్తే చెప్పాలి కదండి పాస్ అని అనాలా కదండి మీకు ఆయుధం ఇచ్చాను కదండి ఒకటి ఆ? కుండి ఇది కవచ కుండలం ఇచ్చాను కదండి ఆర్మోర్ మీకు ఆ? పాస్ అని అనండి నేను చెప్పేస్తా టిల్ ద
Some seconds thinking.
Sir, certificate of insurance, sir.
టిల్ ద సర్టిఫికేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ పాలసీ ఈజ్ మేడ్ అంతే అయిపోయింది ఏమున్నదండి అక్కడ అదే చెప్పాలని లేదు టిల్ ద పాలసీ ఈజ్ మేడ్ అనండి టిల్ ద బాండ్ ఈజ్ మేడ్ అనండి ఆ టిల్ ద బాండ్ ఈజ్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ అనండి గమ్మున ఉండద్దండి గమ్మున ఉంటే నాకేమనిపిస్తుంది అంటే అసలు నా వాయిస్ వింటున్నారా లేదా నా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇమీడియట్గా చెప్పేస్తాను ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో ఇట్ సే పాస్ దాన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఈజీ సార్ ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలి సార్ పాస్ అని మరి తెలియకుంటే చెప్పాల్సిందే పాస్ అని లేకుంటే కనీసం ఆ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసన్నా చెప్పండి ఆ స్క్రీన్ ఇంకా తీయలేదు నేను సో ఇట్ ఈస్ టెంపరీ అండ్
Let us
లిమిటెడ్
carry on, sir.
Yes, it is a temporary and limited agreement. It may be self-contained or it may be incorporated the reference to the terms and condition of the future policy. So that is the Hidayatullah has given the observation in the General Assurance Society versus Chanmol. Now the Motor Vehicle Act provisions 147 subclass 4 and imposes the strict liability upon the insurance company to issue the cover note to a motor vehicle owner who does not receive the policy within the specified time of the cover note. Suppose the cover note is not received there in the specific policy, you should issue the cover note and this section 147 subsection 4 of the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988 clearly says a cover note is effective until the date on which it expires. Till it is expires over there, up to that extent it will be effective. Any claims arises during this period, the insurer is to be pay compensation and such claims shall be determined according to the terms and condition of the cover note.
Sir, voice is break, sir.
Yes. My voice will be okay, but the point is no, your gadget maybe some problem would be there because I kept my microphone very close. That is the reason that I am giving. I can make the sure also because when you recording, yeah, I'm also there is some disturbance. A notification will come, but it comes only a little time. So the terms and conditions also will be clearly mentioned on the cover note. So cover note should properly be stamped according to the Indian Stamp Act. Whenever a party is issuing the cover note, it will be stamped Indian Stamp Act of 1899. Now the question is whether it can be admitted as evidence. When it is not stamped, the answer is it is like an insurance policy, and so under the section 35 of the Stamp Act, it is inadmissible in evidence. Suppose if it is stamped, but it can be received an evidence on payment of the penalty. If the penalty will be paid over there, okay, it will be admissible. If it is not stamped over there, it is inadmissible evidence according to the Evidence Act or in the Indian Stamps Act also. Yes, can you read this what I highlighted here? Yes. Anyone? Can anyone unmute and read what I highlighted there on the screen?
So however, the integrity protection does not amount to policy or an engagement to issue the policy and cannot be issued for any.
Okay, now I will make it out. Repeat it. However, the interim protection does not amount to policy or an engagement to issue the policy. Yes, I am reading now. Now you should stop. Okay. So it is the interim policy and an engagement to issue the policy cannot be issued for any other purpose of any other claim. So now it is only interim protection would be there. Policy, still the policy is not made. But if any accident occurs over there, then the insurer should be held liable. Section 35 also clearly mentioned the Motor Vehicle Act. Contemplate the letter of cover note must have the necessary stamp at the time of the execution. Therefore, subsequent stamping will not make it a valid document. Suppose the subsequent stamp with the penalty you could make it out, it is not a valid document, it is not admissible. Better cover note which is made, it should be stamped. Generally, the terms and conditions of the cover note are similar to that of the terms and condition of the policy. Whatever the terms and condition of the policy would be there, the same would be applicable even to the cover note. Hence, it should be for stamped. When Stamp Duty Act will be applicable over there. And regarding the admissibility is concerned, yes, if it is stamped, it will be admissible. If it is unstamped, it will not be admissible. But provided a provision would be given over there, by penalty, it can be admissible. The cover note is not a complete and final contract between the insurer and insured. Yes, it's only the temporary one, but it binds both the parties concerning the rights and liability of them if any event of the loss occurs during its period. Even though it is not a permanent contract between both the insured and the insurer, but still, if any rights and liability would come over there, they equally applicable as if that they accepted the agreement or contract, made the contract. Now, the cover note comes to an end on the issue of the certificate of insurance policy. Once the certificate of the insurance policy is issued to the insured, at that instance, cover note automatically ceases to be a cover note. It also comes to an end when the insured receives the cancellation notice of cover note from the insurer. Even in addition to that, the insurer will issue a notice also. The cover note which I issued earlier with the terms and conditions will stand cancelled once you receive this one. The certificate of the insurance or certificate of the insurance policy. Okay. Again, another case law is there. The receipt given by the insurance company or its agent creates a binding insurance for the period mentioned. It is a binding insurance, it will come automatically. So, it's the binding insurance would be there once it is given. So, in the receipt, but it can be put an end by the time during the period. The agent may not be authorized to accept the proposed insurance, but he may be authorized either generally or in particular to issue a cover note or interim receipt. So, now it is very much clear that receipt given by the insurance company on its agent creates a binding insurance for the period of mentioned time in the receipt. If the time limit is also given over there in the cover note, a insurer will give 15 days, another insurer will give 30 days, another insurer will give 60 days. It depends on the insurance company that may give. Of course, IRDA would be there. If they say, no, that 30 days means 30 days, everybody should have to follow. 60 days means 60 days, everybody should follow. If such a rules and regulations are there, then the limit also, time limit also, one, that is only one would be there, the uniformity would be there. What is the time period or duration for LLB after the graduation in the entire India?
Yes, sir.
3 years. You can complete the LLB 3YDC in the span of, if you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say.
Person, sir.
See, the time period to you can finish your course is within 6 years. When the 3 years duration of the course is there, double to it, you can finish it. Suppose it is a 4 years course, double to it, you can finish it. You have to complete.
8 years.
In case you did not finish it, you have to take the special permission by paying some amount. Then they will give you a chance on mercy ground. Then they will make it out. But it should be, keep in the mind, it should be not total one semester papers are not there, should not be there. Of course, total semester would not be there again. Of course, they will give the exemption to you. They will give the 1 year or one attempt, because every year that it will not come over there, because only once in the examination will be there. So once you will get for the second year or third year, first semester, second semester, third semester, fifth semester, so on and so forth. So that is the point, they will make it out. So it is a McKee versus European Insurance Company. It is decided over there. It is only the insurance binding period mentioned over there. Once the period is over, if it not extended, then they will issue the insurance certificate copy. The certificate of insurance policy they will issue. Who issue? Insurer will issue to the insured. Okay. Can you read this case law, Muffetti? Anyone?
Murphy versus Royal Insurance Company Limited, 1922. 38 TLR 334. In this case, plaintiff who is owned an orchard and a garden alongside a railway submitted to a subordinate local agent of dependents who were an insurance company a proposal for insuring his trees and fruits against fire. The agent said that the plaintiff would be held covered pending defendant's decision whether the they would accept the defendant to accept the risk. It was held that the agent has no express authority from defendants to make the bargain with the plaintiff in an action on oral contract made by defendant's agent. It was held on the
Okay, now I will come to the picture. See,
held on the
okay, enough. I will come to that.
okay, okay, sir.
See, the entire case law shows Murphy versus Royal Insurance Company Limited. You know, there is a vicarious liability we have studied in the law of tort. What is the relationship? There should be certain relationship would be there. Then only the vicarious liability will be applicable. Like master and servant, father and child,
Principal and agent. Principal and agent.
agent. When you say principal and agent, for the agent's acts, who would be held liable? For the agent's acts, who will be held liable?
Principal, sir.
Sir.
Principal would be held liable. Here the agent make a negotiation with that one. Okay, we would like to cover the insurance regarding your orchard. Orchard ante ఏంటిదండి? తెలిస్తే చెప్పండి, లేకుంటే పాస్ అనండి, నేనే చెప్తాను కదండి.
Sir, repeat question, sir. Repeat question, sir. Voice is break.
Orchard, ORCHARD, orchard.
Person, sir.
ఆర్చర్డ్ దేనికి అంటారంటే పులుపు వస్తువులు పెంచుతారు చూడండి, గ్రేప్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇంకా నిమ్మకాయలు కానివ్వండి, అట్లాంటి దాన్ని ఆర్చార్డ్ అంటారు. సార్ మ్యాంగోస్ని ఏమంటారు సార్? మ్యాంగోస్ ని ఆర్చార్డ్ అనరు, ఎందుకంటే మ్యాంగోస్ మోస్ట్లీ వాయిస్ అది మీకు వస్తలేదు కానీ ఇది కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్. మ్యాంగోస్ అనరు, మ్యాంగోస్ ని ఏమంటారు? మ్యాంగో గ్రూ అంటారు, GROOV, గ్రూ. అయితే ఈ నిమ్మదాని కానీ లెమన్ కానివ్వండి, ఆరెంజెస్ కానివ్వండి, వీటి దాన్ని ఆర్చర్డ్ అంటారు. సో ఇదన్ ఏ ఆర్చర్డ్ అండ్ ఏ గార్డెన్ అలాంగ్ సైడ్ ద రైల్వే సబ్మిటెడ్ టు ఏ సబార్డినేట్ లోకల్ ఏజెంట్. అది ఏజెంట్కు మాట్లాడిండు. హూ వర్ అనే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ ఏ ప్రపోజల్ ఫర్ ద ఇష్యూయింగ్ ద ట్రీస్ అండ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ అగైన్స్ ద ఫైర్. అయితే రైల్వే కంపెనీ ఉన్నది పక్కకే ఉన్నది, కానీ అయితే దెర్ ఈస్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ ద ఫైర్ will emits from that, because at the time there is no electric trains are there. What are the trains are there at the time before the electricity?
Coal, sir.
Smoke, sir. Coal.
ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ముందు కోల్ లేదండి. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీకి ముందు ఏముండే? డీజిల్ ఉండే. డీజిల్ కి ముందు కోల్ ఉండే.
Excuse me, sir. Audio is completely down, sir.
Your mobile is
anyway, no matter. Sometimes it's correcting, sometimes it's not connecting. It is going on over there, but from my side it is very much clear, and audio will be very much clear here because I got the signals and it is not gone. Okay, now the agent made such a thing. Either agent made on behalf of the principal, hence principal would be held liable. Adi ikkada chesedi. With the negotiations were made with the agent, it was held that the agent has no express authority from the defendant to make the bargain with the plaintiff. In an action on the oral contract made with the defendant agent, it was held that on the fact the defendant agent had implied authority to make the contract, and the plaintiff was in the circumstances entitled to recover the insured amount because Agent is
not liable.
not liable kadandi. For agents act, principal is held liable. Then
Okay, sir.
the whole compensation will be borne by the principal. Who is the principal here? Who is the principal here? Saro, watch mechanic. Who is the principal here? Insurance company. Who is
Yes,
the
sir.
principal here?
Insurance company.
Insurance company. So that is so insurance company is held liable to pay the compensation because the agent is a part and parcel of the principal. Hence, for the agent activity under vicarious liability, the principal will be held liable. Okay, please note that the protection afforded with the cover note may be extended beyond the period specified in it. Insured does not receive any notice by the insurer to determine it. Suppose the policy did not reach to the insured. So it may be extended beyond the period specified in it. Suppose 30 days annadu, raledu. It will be extended if the insured does not receive any notice by the insurer to determine it.
Audio is break, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you are getting sometime, you are not getting sometime because of either your fault or my fault. It will be known when it is recorded. It will be known whether your fault or my fault. Yeah, if notice is necessary to determine the validity of the cover note, then it must be given to the insured or his authorized person. మీరు ఆడియో వినబడకున్నా కూడా కనీసం మీరు చూడొచ్చు కదండి. ఏది స్క్రీన్లో చూడొచ్చు కదా. కొంచెం వినబడ్డ
Sir.
కొంచెం
Okay, okay,
వినబడ్డ
sir.
కూడా మీరు స్క్రీన్లో చూడొచ్చు. వెన్ యు ఆర్ రీడింగ్ ఆల్సో సమ్టైమ్స్ ఆడియో ఈజ్ అవుట్, బట్ ఐ కెన్ మేక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. What extent that you continued, how much the audio out, and what you are reading now, because I will be constantly watching when I asked you to read. When I am also teaching the point which here I am sometimes highlighted like this. That means I am reading that one. Anyone can read now?
Mere acknowledgement of receipt of premium not amount to an interim receipt or cover note. It is an acknowledgement only by the agent authorized to issue receipt or the insurance company that premium related to proposal submitted has been received same as other receipt in the normal course of business.
Yes. If the acknowledgement receipt of the premium not amount to an interim receipt cover note. అంటే అది దాన్ని కవర్ నోట్ అనరు. ఎందుకంటే కవర్ నోట్ విల్ బి ప్రిపేర్డ్ బై ద ఇన్సూరర్ with the terms and condition, and what is covered will also mentioned. Then it will be given to the insured. That is the cover note. It is an acknowledgement only by the agent authorized to issue the receipt, the insurance company, that premium related to the proposal submitted has been received. Suppose the money will be paid over there as a premium, it is only the authority will be given by the agent, he will give the receipt. It doesn't mean that the cover note is signed. No, cover note is entirely different. Cover note consisting of the terms and conditions with the insured and insurer, with the what is covered over there, that will be the feature of the cover note. So that is the same thing which is saying that the premium related to the proposal submitted has been received, same other receipt in the normal course of business. It is merely a receipt, but it is not a cover note. Let us see the third point, the interim receipt. Yes, the interim receipt does not afford the conclusive evidence for all the terms of the contract, and the interim receipt is not a policy of insurance in the ordinary sense of the word, and does not purport to contain the complete and final contract between the parties that is clearly mentioned in the Latif Ali Faddu versus Royal Exchange Corporation. Sir, some cases they say even the cover note is like that, it is having all the functions like the certificate of the policy. But here they say it is only a receptively given for the interim receptively given for the premium, but the cover note it should be signed by the insurer. Can the cover note be signed by the agent?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, generally the cover note will
No,
not be
yeah,
signed by the agent. It will be signed only by the but receipt can
Insurer.
be given by the, suppose if you give in the premium, a receipt can be given by the agent.
Yes, sir.
So what they said is, certain terms and conditions are not very much special made, that is not the final one, it is only the interim relief. At any time, the insurance company may reject it, anytime the insurance company may accept it, even though it received the premium. Is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
So it depends upon the nature of the case, what are the things, then it will be given. Like Mickey versus the European Assurance Company, what happened? It was held that cover note or interim receipt is an itself is a binding contract అంటాడు సార్. ఒక కాడేమో బైండింగ్ కాంట్రాక్ట్ అంటాడు, ఒక
Temporary contract.
which governs the right and liabilities of the party in the event a loss taking place during its currency. అయితే ఒకటి మాత్రం ఖాయం, in case if the loss is occurred in the period, yes, definitely it will be borne by the insurance company. Is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
అయితే at the end they can deny it, but the incident happened before the denial. Suppose the incident happened after the denial, no, it not be.
No response, sir.
Yeah, that is the only that. So a cover note is considered as a slip. In case of the marine insurance business, the slips contain the head of the contract and is itself a contract of insurance. At the ikkada emantedu, it is a slip, but it contains itself is a contract of insurance. So it depending upon the nature of the insurance also it will be counted. సార్ అందరికి ఒకటే మందు కాదు సార్, పాముకు ఒక మందు అండ్
తేలుకు ఒక
మందు. సో ద రిలీఫ్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీస్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద కవర్ నోట్. బట్ ఫర్ ద మోటార్ వెహికల్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో కవర్ నోట్ అండి, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ద పాయింట్. ఎందుకంటే స్పాట్ లిక్ చేస్తాడు. ఆర్ యు ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ?
Yes, sir.
The issued is entitled to enforce the contract contained in the cover note provided that he has complied with its conditions. So nothing is there. If all the conditions will be complied over there, there is no hitch would be there, then naturally that will make it a cover note is like a accepted policy bond. So Coleman Depositories Limited versus Life and Health Insurance Association, in this case law, the cover note itself does not state to what extent the issued is protected and is always subject to the condition expressed in the insurance policy. So whatever the policy would be there, and some terms and conditions also mentioned in the cover note, then that will be taken into consideration. Otherwise, the slip or cover note not entirely a full permission for that one. As against the insured terms and conditions of the policy from not part of the contract contained in the cover note. Suppose the cover note doesn't contain that part of the contract which the insured agreed or insurer will be agreed, then the cover note will not be covered, because whatever the contract terms and conditions are accepted with both the parties, here insured and the insurer, then only that will be a valid cover note. So that is the thing which I want to make it out. So again, these are all the things. Again, the court will held how the cover note will work it. The cover note comes to an end. Again, I repeat, the cover note comes to an end when the insurance policy is issued. Yes, obviously we know it. When the convocation is over, then the provisional is
And, sir.
invalid.
Not valid.
Invalid. It's the only
Yes, sir.
paper. Sir, నేను తీసుకోలేదు సార్. తీసుకోలేడం is your fault, because in the final year you already pay the convocation fee, or they will issue the notification. You need not to go and pay it. You can pay on the online also. Of course, for the PhD they will give in person. For masters, of course they will say all the masters stand up. They will stand up. Okay, now I'm awarding the master degree for the faculty of law. Yes, over. Then afterwards you will get the degrees later part, or it will be sent to your college. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody will read the conclusion?
Conclusion from above judicial decisions and definitions. It is clear that a cover note issued by an insurance company to the insured is binding on both parties. It is a confirmation by insurance company to the insured or other parties that subject matter mentioned in the cover note is insured against risk pending issue of insurance policy. It is a proof of coverage during processing of insurance by the insurer. Some some status mandatorily required insurers to issue cover note to the insured during the processing of insured coverage. A cover note should be properly stamped to be considered as evidence in court of law. The insured is covered through cover note during its tenure or earlier determination by the insurer by the issuing insurance policy or rejecting the proposal of the insured. Any claim during tenure of cover note will be paid subject to complying the terms and conditions mentioned in cover note. The notice of determine of conditions mentioned in cover note must be given the insured, and in case of delay in issue of insurance policy, the tenure of cover note may be extended.
Yes. So overall gist what I am saying is, generally a cover note is nothing but the certificate of policy. But in the cover note also there are some terms and conditions put it over there. If that cover note time period is extended over there, it is not the fault of the insured. Whose fault it is?
Insurer.
Insurer fault. It is he who can extend it. Or if he could not extend it, he should prepare it and hand over to the insured the policy,
Insurer.
certificate of policy. So in one way, in another way, in certain things, statutes clearly says you have to issue the cover note. But in certain places, cover note not necessary. Like I told you, for the motor vehicle insurance, either comprehensive insurance or for the third party insurance, within 15 to 20 minutes, unless until the server is done, you will get the entire process will be done. You just pay the money, because if you don't have the card, okay, tell to him, give the money, and he will pay, use his own card, and he will load it, and he will give it the printed copy to you, putting his signature and stamp on it, because he is also agent. So his stamp also there, number. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
If you happen to see, who issued to you the policy of the two-wheeler, his name also, license also, number also, it be given over there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So today we dealt only cover note, but tomorrow class we will see principle of contribution and principle of average. In the tomorrow class,
Yes, sir.
we will see it.
Yes, sir.
So up to that extent, I would like to say goodbye, a good day. Of course, whenever the frequency is less, you might not hear
Thank
my
you, sir.
voice. And
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, when you are reading also, when the frequency is less, I could not hear your voice. But when you are reading, I am concentrating on what I put on the screen. Then if I could not get your voice also, but after sometimes you will get the voice, then I said, okay, this from and this he read it, and that I completed it. With this, I would like to say thank you for your patience and listening and encouraging me to take the classes. And that is the thing. And end of the meeting, and end of the meeting for all.